Hello and welcome to Holonomial. In today's video, we're going to be looking at geometric and arithmetic sequences. So what is a sequence? A sequence is simply a list of numbers that follow a specific rule. So for example, the sequence shown here, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, the numbers increase by 2 each time. This is a pattern, and there are different kinds of patterns we can explore. Let's start with arithmetic sequences. In an arithmetic sequence, the difference between each consecutive term is always the same. We call this the common difference. For example, in the sequence 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, the common difference is plus 3. This means each number increases by 3. So in this example, we're asked to find the fifth term of the arithmetic sequence. So first we identify the first term, which is 3. Then we can find the common difference by taking away the first term from the second term. So that is 7, take away 3, which is equal to 4. Then we can just plug this into our formula. So T5 is equal to 3 plus 5 minus 1 times 4. And this should give you the answer of the fifth term is 19. Now let's move on to geometric sequences. In a geometric sequence, each term is found by multiplying the previous term by a fixed number called the common ratio. For example, in the sequence 3, 6, 12, 24, the common ratio is 2 because each term is twice the previous one. The nth term of a geometric sequence can be found using this formula, where Tn is the nth term, A is the first term, R is the common ratio, and N is the number of terms. In this example, we're going to find the fourth term of the geometric sequence, 500, 250, and 125. First, we identify the first term, which is 500. Therefore, A is equal to 500. To find the common ratio, we divide the second term by the first term. So in this case, it is 250 divided by 500, which is equal to 0.5. This means that the common ratio R is 0.5. Now we can plug these into our formula. So T4 is equal to 500 times 0.5 4 minus 1. Now, if you simplify this bit down, you should get it's equal to 500 times 0.125, which gives us the fourth term of 62.5. Here are some practice questions. Pause the video and give them a go, and when you're ready, click play and I'll give you the answers. So for this one, we can identify that the first term is 7. And to find the common difference, we do the second term, take away the first term. So that is 4, take away 7, which is equal to minus 3. Then we just plug this into our formula since we're trying to find the sixth term. That's 7 plus 6 minus 1 times minus 3. If you put that into the calculator, you should get that the sixth term is minus 8. So for this geometric sequence, we're asked to find the fifth term. So let's start off by identifying the first term, which is 81. Then we can find the common ratio by doing 27 divided by 81. This should give you the answer of minus a third. Now we can put this into our formula. So it's 81 times minus a third to the power of 5 minus 1. And if you put this in your calculator, you should get that the fifth term is 1. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.